there are some topics which actually require some knowledge of the economy and economic terms. They are required, like what is GDP, what is the growth rate, and especially this year when economic growth rate has gone very down because of the pandemic, shutdown, pandemic, and all. And since India got independence, we have faced the worst ever GDP growth rate, which was negative 24%. So I had sent you one document also in which you can see the graph and it is going down. So those kind of data are important. Now India is approaching the festive season is going to come, and government is actually in double mind what to do. Like one, economy is to be opened and people are to earn, and economy is to proceed forward. GDP growth is required. On the other hand, the moment you go for more business and more open of the economy, then the fear of COVID pandemic is also there. So how to balance these two things, that is a main trouble, how to go for that. And that is what actually is the problem which we are facing. So my GD topic, what we will go for today, will be more or less related to that only. I'll give you a topic. So let me tell you, in a group discussion we will be having three rounds here. First round will be introduction, in which each one of you will be given time to speak for 2 minutes. And in these 2 minutes it is very easy, you need to use some of the sentences which are common, like good morning or good evening friends, my name is this, and I initiate the discussion today, and the topic given today is this. In my opinion, it is very relevant topic, and it is the topic which is worth discussing. And then you say something which you know about the topic, and then you can say, okay, I'm very sure all of you have very relevant point to add on. So now I open the house for the discussion. This is the introduction. If you maintain a pace, then 2 minutes you can speak very comfortably. The moment you're one by one, I will give chance to each one of you to speak. And then second round will be in which everybody will be giving their points. So you will be discussing among you, and you will be giving the points, listening very attentively to what others are saying, and then accordingly participating. So you have to listen to others also. And when you listen to others, you will keep on writing what the others are saying. You may agree with them, you may disagree with them. And if you are attentively listening to what others are saying, then you will have certain points. So those points are not difficult, you will be having some points to contribute. And then third round will be conclusion round. In the conclusion round, if you have listened to others, then it is very easy for you to conclude the discussion, because conclusion is that of the entire group, not individual your point of view. Conclusion is for the group. So this is all three topics, three rounds are there. And as I say, that if you are attentive and full concentration, then you can very easily participate in the discussion. Fine, this is how GD is going to be. So now I give you a topic, and then we can for 30 seconds think over this, and then we can proceed forward. Like, please write the topic: fear of COVID versus compulsion of economic growth. Fear of COVID versus compulsion of economic growth. Economic growth in wake of Indian festive season. In wake of, at the eve of, in wake of Indian festive season. I repeat the topic: fear of COVID versus compulsion of economic growth in wake of Indian festive season. So fear of COVID versus compulsion of economic growth in wake of Indian festive season. Okay, so I think now we can start. Satyaki, I think we can start from you.
Hello and good evening, everyone. Today we have been given the topic fear of COVID versus the compulsion of economic growth in the wake of Indian festive season for discussion. So I think this is quite a relevant topic and is very applicable to the uh, current and the upcoming scenario of the country. So, as we all know that the Indian festive season is just round the corner, and we also know that this time of the year is time of like when people purchase a lot, when the service number of services also increase. So the government generally sees a rise in GDP in this festive season. But this time, due to the COVID pandemic, there is a doubt that whether people will go out and celebrate or not. But so due to the fear of the disease, so I think this is an opportunity and also a bane in disguise. Like if there is too much of outing by the people, then there is a risk of COVID cases increase. And also, if this is also an opportunity for turning around the GDP decrease in the last couple months by increasing the number of services and the purchases made by the people. So I'd like to open the discussion forum now, and I think all of you have very good points. So yeah, thank you.
Vijay.
Yes, yes. Good evening, friends. My name is Vijay Tripathi. Today, our topic of discussion is fear of COVID versus compulsion of economic growth in the Indian festival season. In my opinion, this is a very relevant topic and related to current scenario. The festival season, which is coming which is going from October to December, it is very important for our GDP purpose as mostly consumption of goods, people purchasing power very high during this period. You know, as many private organizers establish very events around the country. A lot of people get job from these organizers also. So this is so this is one of the important time for the discussion. I open the house for the discussion and invite all of you to give a point and suggestion. Thank you.
Okay, Abhishek. Okay, Abhishek, you are mute. You are mute. So just hold on,
Hello?
Abhishek. Just hold on, Abhishek.
Yes, sir.
Stanley, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can. I can
Okay,
hear you.
the topic is fear of COVID
Okay.
versus compulsion of economic growth. Fear of COVID versus compulsion of economic growth at the time of Indian festive season.
Okay.
So fear of COVID versus compulsion of economic growth at the time of Indian festive season. Go ahead, Abhishek.
Yes, sir. So
Stanley,
good evening,
please mute
everyone.
yourself.
And as today's topic is the fear of COVID versus compulsion of economic growth in the wake of Indian festive season. So it is a quite worth discussing topic, as we all know about the situation that is being arise due to the COVID. So India is a developing nation, and that the lockdown that was imposed for preventing the pandemic to spread has badly affected our economy, and it's a dire need for us to revive our economy, and or we can say that we have to generate that consumer interest, that so that he can trust he can have a trust so that he can buy the goods. So thing is that the festival season is approaching, and all it's a great opportunity, as we all know that consumption of good will be more in this seasons, and and the people will be more motivated to buy some products and goods. So it will be a great opportunity for the revival of our economy, and also for the we also need to what we can say that there is a fear of the spread of the pandemic. So as there is more cultural gathering in the festival like Durga Puja, Diwali, and Dashera. So these things are also need to be taken care of, as the community spread is the important thing to concern in that. So balancing these two things, so that the pandemic is also not spread, and and at the same time we are able to revive our economy. We should give our points, and I hereby open the floor for discussion.
Shubhi?
Good evening, everyone. We have a relevant topic of today's discussion, that is fear of COVID versus compulsion of economic growth in the wake of Indian festive season. Though we are dealing with two critical situations like fear of COVID and also to grow the economy. So, in the upcoming festive season, we have an opportunity to increase our GDP so that we could revive our economy, and also we can't neglect the pandemic situation, which is also not being stopped yet, since we have not since we don't get the vaccine yet. So government has two different situations, like how to deal is the major issue at this time, since we are a middle income country. So uh, we can't stop the economy, and we have to survive with the virus. This is the truth we have to exist with. And also, though up till vaccine is not available, we can't stop our economy. We have to move on. So we need to balance both the things simultaneously. So I think we have a good discussion ahead, and we would come across many good points and come out a solution also. So I open the floor for discussion.
Okay, Sanjay.
Good evening, friends. So the today given topic is the fear of COVID versus compulsion of economic growth in the wake of Indian festival season. So, according to me, the fear due to COVID-19, it is already present, and we we know that the revenue, the more than half of the revenue is is generated by the many companies during this festival season. So, but uh, this time the we have the coronavirus, and we have to deal with this thing as well. And we also know that our uh, the economy has go down in the first quarter of the in 2020 2021. It is gone down to minus 24%. So we have to balance between the economic growth of India, and also as well as the and also the containment of the viruses. We as we already the first phase of the COVID-19 already passed, and it is possible that the second phase will also come, and that phase will vary too much with too much intensity. We have seen in another countries. It may come to our country as well. So we have to deal with them as well. So we have to balance between the containment of COVID, and also we have to revival of the economic growth. So now I open the house for the discussion, and I hope that we will get many more points.
Okay. Now, Ashish.
Good evening, friends. So today's topic of discussion is fear of COVID and compulsion of economic growth in the wake of Indian festive seasons. This is a quite relevant topic for in this scenario. The country is facing, for the past couple of months, the country is facing a very major decline in GDP, especially in the various sectors like transportation, hotels, and manufacturing, and also the government has generated less tax, and it has less funds to expand for the economy. So, and throughout the past years, India has seen this festive season as an opportunity to revive its economy. But this time, that has changed. The pandemic has taken all over the place, and so like in the past, we have a V-shaped recovery in the festive seasons. But now it would be a little more. There is a delay. It has been found that there would be a delay in recovery of the economy. So, but due to this pandemic, there has to be need of a balance between the spread of the virus and the recovery of the GDP. So there is a need of balance between them. The government should take various policies and implement them very effectively. So now I open the discussion for more valid points. Thank you.
Okay, I think Stanley, you can proceed.
Hello. Good evening, friends. The topic which was given is fear of COVID versus compulsion of economic growth during festival seasons. But what I feel is it could be fear of COVID and the compulsion of economic growth in the wake of festival season, because I feel the topic is slightly in a gray area, because the precautions which have to be taken during COVID is also important. At the same time, the compulsion for the economic growth, the need to grow, need for the economic growth is also important, because the end product of COVID could also be like a death, as well as the compulsion, the loss of economic growth could also lead to sectors or few tiers of the economy. So I feel that precautions should be taken carefully against COVID while increasing the economic growth is the main factor which we need to concentrate. So I open the floor for everyone.
Okay, I think now first round we have completed and everybody has contributed into that. Now we proceed for the second round, in which you can talk among yourself and you can agree, disagree, or discuss among yourself. I expect the house to have a very peaceful and smooth discussion here, so that we reach some kind of fruitful conclusion of this particular entire discussion. So now I open the house for the discussion among you.
In my opinion, I think in my opinion, I think we cannot totally close our economy because we have seen the result of closing our economy in the first quarter of this fiscal year. For the festival season, government introduced many SOPs, standard operating procedures for organizing any events, so that they issue various guidelines how to deal with gathering, marking place, marking,
I totally agree with you.
Sitting arrangement.
Like you said, that we cannot close the economy, and we need to balance between the fear of COVID and the economic growth. So we need to advise everyone to adapt to the new normal. That is, eliminate all the non-essential activities and do only the essential activities.
Exactly.
Yes, as we can see that
has to be followed during the festive season also.
I totally agree with Satyaki, since we can't totally stop the economy, and we can't completely shut down all the things and all the economy things, and we need to start all the transportation, as discussed by one of the members in introduction, transportation facilities, malls, and all these things. We need to begin with slight exemptions, so that we can revive our economy into a little bit, and then
as we can see that we are more concentrated on buying of essential goods since lockdown. You can see that people are just buying the essential goods. They are for non-essential goods and or luxury goods. That market has gone completely down, or we can say that it is now it is reviving, but it is not to the extent which is used to be earlier. Okay, so the thing is that we have to generate the consumer interest,
actually,
so that he can believe in the product and he's able to buy the product, and
economic growth in the
he feels that the product he's buying is safe,
so
and he will not be transmitted with any disease or anything else. So thing is that people should come up with more advertisements and etc. and
Yes,
other things so that
I
they're able
feel
to communicate with the
Yes,
people. The
I
product
I
they're
feel
providing
the
that
point.
is quite
There
good.
is one
Yes,
more point we are lacking, that the economy that has been shut earlier, now it has been opened in a very gradual way, and it has given us a positive impact in reviving the economy as well. So there
Yeah,
is a
but
thing
we
that
still,
if we do, so like the states, different states has imposed lockdown on 2 or 3 days on weekends, that can be done so as to minimize the impact of spreading of virus. This can be done, and
I think
other various
I think
precautions
actually,
can
I
be
we
we
should
should
support
not
go
with
for
the
the
forget
Ashish
the
government.
because
government has to come
my
with our topic
Yes,
is
yes.
the
And
economic growth in the
also
wake
we
of
can see that
Indian
in
festival
we
season.
should
festival
we should
And
season,
not
in the
go for
Indian
lockdown
festival
again.
season, we are
badly,
used to buy
badly hit.
the fancy
We
things.
can
In
yeah
the festival
I
season, we used to buy the fancy things. Essential things is
Uh,
every time,
that is the thing that
every
we
day
There
have
has
to
to be
wear
a
to
plan
we
motivate the
buy.
to
people.
So
maximize the
in
We
the
have to
profit of all
motivate the
the
people to
luxury
come
items
out of
and
their
the
houses
tourism
the
and
festival
industry.
season,
buy the products.
Those two have
if
been
we
badly hit.
buy the fancy things which is not fancy things, so it is not because of the COVID. This time the in during the festival season they will not buy. It is because also the uh, because many of the people are losses their job, the unemployment,
Yeah. So
Exactly,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
this is the
that is the reason.
individual
That is one
mentality.
of the reasons.
I
But
That is
this
one
is
partially
of the
the
support
reasons.
all of
but
the
this is
all
the
of
Your reason is
individual.
correct, but that is one of the reason.
let
And another
Stanley
reason is
speak.
also thing is that
Let
people
Stanley
are.
speak. He has some more points to say.
I partially support
I,
everyone's view because it's not an
but
extreme topic
we cannot.
because yeah let me speak one minute. We
Yes, of course.
can't directly speak about economy and we can't directly take the precautions. People should be adapted to the new normal. At the same time, we have to generate the economy. We can't either concentrate on this or either concentrate on that.
exactly. So
Both has to go hand in hand.
Yes, Stanley, but we should
Because
if demand is
focus
not
on
moved, then
it can be done
international
only.
also. We
we will
cannot
not
totally
revive
open.
the Indian the economic growth. Demand should be
exactly,
more.
and
If
the government is
when
coming
will
up
be
with
the
some
demand
steps.
more?
Like,
If the
So government is
when will be
coming
the
with
demand
many.
more? It will be
The
the
government is
question.
coming with many precautions, but
See,
this is the individual thing that we need to
see,
take care of the COVID pandemic, and also we need to buy the things like as Sanjay said, we buy fancy things in the festive season.
nee,
So it is the individual mentality that
Yes.
we need to stop ourselves to buy fancy things and need to go with only
well,
essential
thing
things.
is, thing is
It's
that
Yes, Subir, I
thing
agree
is
with you.
that you have to
thing is
make
that
more money into circulation. Okay,
yeah,
the money
exactly.
is not coming into
Demand
the
should be more.
circulation. That's why our economy is
But
going down.
Abhishek,
So
we cannot.
this
But we
festival
cannot
season,
open our
we can
economy
find a
to
great opportunity.
say
Thing is that
for
you have to find a
again.
great opportunity so that
We
you
can
can
find
revive
great
your
opportunity,
economy.
but
Okay,
I
but
believe the government is coming up
pandemic
with steps
situation
for
would be
injecting
worst.
liquidity into the market.
but
We should
but
So
you
that
have to deal with this. Na?
We
You
should take
can't
precaution because
sit at
again
your
we
home
will
and
more
saying that
I feel
pandemic,
it's not
pandemic, now
divided
it's
either
over.
into
Now it's
festival
quite
season
6
or
months.
it's a normal season because we can't only focus on the festival season. If you want to generate
we
economy,
should
it has to be
prevent
similar for
Our
everyone.
See, I
topic
am
is
not
all
saying
about
about focusing on
Point
festival
is this
season,
festival
but
is an
it's a great
opportunity
opportunity.
to
It's
this
quite a
provides us
boom
a
that
great
you can
opportunity.
you can
People come out of their houses, they purchases
Yes,
different
yes.
at
Uh,
quantities.
so we need
So
to
there
for
is
focus
a
sure,
on
need.
it would be
process of
an
and
added
the second wave
advantage.
of
The thing is,
opportunity.
we have this as we see a festive season as an opportunity. So
Yeah,
there is a
exactly.
need. The
So
Indian
like
economy
government
can
have
but
to
we
survive
should
through
plan,
this.
we should
have to come
prevent.
up with a
We
plan
should
so that
talk.
they can
We
We
should
should
revise
prevent
years
the
talk
of
also.
about
tourism
experiences
the
industry.
steps
during this
how we
season. The
can
See,
Indian
thing is
we should
that
economy
talk about
has
the
that
steps
been
how we
thing
can
is that the
implement
sale of
various
every product.
growth
policies.
rate is the growth
I feel like
rate
there
has
should be
been
a
dipped.
demand. There will be a demand in this festival season, but it has to be met in a precautious way because
Exactly, that will be
the
depending on the
festival should
individual.
yes,
Exactly.
That
There are
precautions way
various
with
things
which you are
that
Everyone
providing
got
the
can
products to
warned
the
of the
consumer
the
COVID-19
should
government
be
pandemic.
should promote
communicated
the
So
while
come
online
up
and
with precautions over it.
online economic platform more. So there is a chance that people don't come out of their
Because
houses, go to the shops and purchase, make the shop crowded. They can purchase at their homes only. Government should.
Ashish,
But
there is a
this
solution
is
for
an
that.
one of
example
the
I have
solution you
seen
can
that
come up with
government
that
promotes
online
prevent
delivery.
the second wave.
commercial
See that
platform.
is the thing that delivery thing that is a good solution. But you can thing is that you can also, the malls and all other things, that like cinema halls, they are
Like
opening now.
the thing you have said, Abhishek, you have said the thing about the Durga Puja and Diwali. They have so many crowded places. So
Yes,
what
yes.
we can do is that we can
But
organize events
Ashish, I would like
virtually.
to neglect with your
We
point,
can
because it's like if we are going totally on the online basis, then what are the what about the jobs which what about the stalls which you are
Yes,
seeing?
that
What of the
exactly.
Yes,
We
Yeah,
cannot
exactly.
use this as an opportunity.
We should consider this factor also.
okay, we can
But
also thing is that you can
cannot
organize
totally open
event.
our economy also.
You can also
Because
organize an
if
event.
second
You
wave
can
happens,
restrict
if
the
second
number
wave
of
creates
people
even more
that will
dangerous
be
for
attending
yes.
organism.
the event.
So
Okay,
it's
and the
based
food that you are
Exactly.
providing,
Like
the
I'd
food
like
that
to
you are
give an
providing.
example of what is
One
happening
thing,
in the Durga Puja in Kolkata.
one more
So
thing,
like the government has decided that
one more thing
everything
we
will be
should
on
do for
online
our.
basis only, but it will allow some around
Thing is
20
that
people at one time in the one pandal. So that way the people can visit the pandals also, and the stores open near the pandal, they can also run their business. And the people who fear COVID and don't want to go outside, they can enjoy from
actually,
home.
we are off the
even
topic.
Even
even
We
this
the
thing
can
can
catering,
be
discuss
even the
more
this.
about
catering
the
catering
economic
people
growth.
also,
Satyaki,
they can
we
come up
can
with
We
a
are
new
going to
solution.
the pandal.
government can also apply
So
this thing in
Uh,
at the crowded places also, like shops and
Yes,
markets.
exactly.
We can also apply this thing.
Yeah,
Yes,
that will
we
be
can
hard
take
to
an
monitor, but
example,
they can
We should
definitely
this
try.
open
can
our
be
market
also
24
if
hours.
guys. We can
And
take an
I think we should
I
open
example
our
think
market
like
24 hours.
like
something
One
like this
suggestion.
can also be tried with the
I
tourism
have one
industry, because
suggestion.
that has been very badly hit.
I have one
So
Exactly.
we
suggestion.
need to take
And
this
we
I
need
would
to
like
festive
take
to
season
care
as
of
an
I would
all
like
opportunity to
the.
to
divide that
quote an
industry.
yes, yes.
example from
Now we can
like
see that government is taking
I
steps
would like
for
to quote
opening
an
the tourism
example
industry, that
that
it has.
like we
Uh,
can see this thing from the BCCI, that
I
BCCI
have a
has
very good
organized
suggestion.
IPL outside
We
of
can
the
open our
country,
show for 24
keeping
hours.
the fear of pandemic in mind. They have survived the they have survived their IPL, and they are now making money. What they have done is they have telecast their IPL on a big screens at the localities also.
Yeah,
So
but
these kind of things that can be
yeah,
done,
but
like
IPL does
we
not
can
generate any
organize
side
Durga
revenue.
Puja, we
Like
can
I have
organize
a
Diwali festivals like this
yeah,
virtually,
see, at
and
least the
keeping in mind that
basic rise in
they,
I have
GDP
a
comes
very
uh,
good
from the side business
what
during
I
this puja.
what I mean to say is
I
people can enjoy
I
their
always
festivals. Also, they have to spend. There has to be circulation of money in the market as well. So this is what I want to say.
Yeah,
I have a
government is
very good
already
point.
injecting some liquidity in the
We can
market,
open our
but
show for
we need to
24 into
also
7. I have one
do our own
suggestion.
part.
I have
guys saying something.
Okay,
Yes,
now I
Satyaki, I
think
have one suggestion.
I
We
think
should
now we
open our
can.
market for 24 into 7.
Okay, now I think we can go for conclusion session. That is the third round now. So I ask Shubhi to conclude first.
So we have a good discussion on this topic. We discussed many areas about this topic. Though we are looking at this festive season as an opportunity to generate to generate incomes and revive the economy, but there's also fear. So one of the members one of the members has put a point about online shopping, but this cannot be complete survival of whole India, because everyone has not been an online shop so that they can sell their products. Also, Satyaki has put up an example of Durga Puja in Kolkata. That can also be applied in the shops for reducing the crowd, and we discussed all these things.
Okay, now I think Ashish.
um, like the discussion has done very well. There are few points which we have discussed, and I would like to conclude. One of the point is that we as a group heads concluded that the festive season can be an opportunity to revive our economy, as we have done in past years also. And this time, because of the fear of pandemic, there are various other things that can be done, and that includes, which we have talked ourselves, like we can go to the online, and we can telecast virtually, telecast other programs, events as well. And there has to be need of circulation of money in the market, so there is no need of total lockdown. We can implement the lockdowns on particular days, so as to make a balance between the pandemic and our circulation of money in the market. uh, this is
Okay.
I think we have concluded.
Okay, Abhishek.
Yes, sir. So we had a quite great discussion regarding this topic, and many of us had quite different views for that. So thing is that for a revival of a economy, this festival season can prove to be a boom, as the need of product at this time we see that we celebrate our festival quite we have colorful festival when we the need of products only increases for the people. The thing is that the we have to generate the interest of of the consumers also. So one of our participant was saying that the function that we should organize should be virtually. I totally agree with him that the virtual function should be organized. But thing is that there are many things like catering industry. We can see that catering industry market has gone completely down. It's our responsibility also that we have to revive that market also. So we should consider that catering how to revive that catering industry, and the idea of that delivery at home. It is also quite a good point that we can have at the door delivery service, so that there is no need for the going at the market, and we can have the product delivered at our home. And also the events that is organized should be, the number of people attending the events should be restricted, and others can attend by their home virtually. So these are some points which I think that we have discussed, and I hereby conclude.
Stanley.
We had a very good discussion. We had so many points, so many views. So what I feel, it's like as I said earlier, it's a gray area. It's like a point of self-realization, because a person should realize that how he could contribute to the economy, to its growth, being in the safer bubble. So that's my point.
Okay, Satyaki.
So we had a good and healthy discussion on this topic, and we have come up with very good points. So we have all agreed that we need to take this festive season as an opportunity to revive our economy, as well as see that the pandemic does not grow beyond the proper limits. And we have also discussed the several steps and precautions taken by the government during this festive season to control the pandemic, and how it can generate revenue in the same time and revive the economy. So yeah, that will be my conclusion. Thank you.
Vijay.
Yes, sir. We had a very good discussion. We discussed many points. All of we are agree that this is a great chance for booming our economy. We all agree that we cannot go for complete shutdown as we face in the first quarter. We discussed many ways how to revive economy, various government SOPs, and various ways that virtual telecast, online shopping. These are the chances by which we can control our infections and gradually increase our economy.
Okay.
This from my side. Thank you, sir.
Sanjay.
We have a very good discussion, and we all agreed about the balance between fear due to COVID, and also we have to revival the economic growth. So we have many points regarding this, regarding the revival of the Indian economy. Someone said that we can promote the online shopping. Also, we have we will organize the virtually virtually pandals, or so there will be no crowd in the market, and the people also, people will go to the market, they will follow the SOP which is given by the Indian government, and so that the fear of fear from infection of COVID-19 will be less, and they will purchase many things in the market. So yes, we had a very good discussion.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So anybody's left? I think all have participated. No, okay, you tell me now, I gave you some information in the morning, some data I provided you in the morning. Did you use, any one of you use that data? Any of the data which I gave? And now think and tell me, if you wanted to use some data, what data you would have used for this discussion? If you have gone through that information which I gave you in the morning, what you could have used?
So that you can see that quarter growth of the economy that was negative -23.9%, and it was in the quarter 4 that it is expected to be plus 0.5%. So we can relate that in the next fiscal year, that is in starting next fiscal.
Okay. Anything mentioned there related to some industries which can come back? Revival can be there. Some industries
like
agriculture was there, sir. Pharmaceutical industry and
manufacturing.
Automobile sector. Okay. So, any idea during festive season, consumer behavior is what? What do they want to purchase?
People more invest in
automobiles and
electrical appliances, more in electrical appliances as well.
इंडिया में लोग क्या खरीदते हैं यार? घर और गाड़ी, बस दो चीज, घर और गाड़ी.
गारमेंट मार्केट भी तो
गारमेंट तो खरीदता ही है, पर वो हाई एंड प्रोडक्ट नहीं है, लेकिन वो तो खरीदता ही है, वो तो करता ही है परचेज. अच्छा, मेरे को ये बताओ, इकोनॉमी रिकवरी, इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ का मतलब परचेज से है या पीपल कमिंग आउट से है?
सर परचेज से ही होगा वो तो.
सो दैट मींस अगर परचेज विदाउट कमिंग आउट हो जाए तो इकोनॉमिक रिकवरी हो जाएगा, राइट? यस और नो?
इकोनॉमिक रिकवरी हो जाएगा, बट लोगों का जैसे कुछ इंडिविजुअल्स है जो नहीं ऑनलाइन बेचते, तो उनका डेवलपमेंट
प्रॉब्लम रहेगा.
अच्छा ठीक है, मेरे को दिवाली मनानी है, मेरे को फेस्टिवल सीजन मनाना है. व्हाई डू आई नीड टू गो आउट? टेल मी दैट. फेस्टिवल सीजन में क्या होता है? आई एम टू लाइट.
सर ये भी देख सकते हैं, जैसे अमेजोन है, ठीक है सर, वहां से आपने कोई प्रोडक्ट बाय किया तो जो प्रॉफिट है, तो उस जो प्रॉफिट का शेयर जाएगा वो बाहर जाएगा, उसका उसकी कंपनी पे इफेक्ट कर, वहां की जहाँ कंट्री पे वो बैठा होगा उसका वो इफेक्ट करेगा, यहाँ पे नहीं करेगा. जो जैसे बहुत सारी ऑनलाइन परचेजिंग कंपनी जितनी भी हैं, तो वो वैसे कुछ इंडिया की है, मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ
हो जाएगा सर.
तो क्या
शेयर तो बाहर जा रहा है ना,
बाहर की. अगर
तो अभिषेक तुम्हारे अंदर का मनोज कुमार जाग गया क्या?
हो जाएगा.
नहीं
मेरे को लगता है तुम्हारे अंदर का मनोज कुमार जाग गया. अभी एक बात आओ, गूगल जो तुम करते हो, तुम्हें पता है जितनी एड लगती पैसा कहाँ जाता है? मेरे को गूगल क्रिएट कर.
सर वो तो ठीक है, लेकिन सर इंडिया की जो मेजोरिटी है, जैसे ये गारमेंट मार्केट है, आप देखें ना सर, अभी तो ऑनलाइन मार्केट तो अभी रिवाइव, मतलब अभी कुछ 5-6 साल में आया है, लेकिन इससे पहले तो अभी भी, लेकिन मेजोरिटी से जैसे सर साड़ी का मार्केट है, तो साड़ी तो लोग खरीदने ही जाते हैं ना. ऑनलाइन तो शायद ही, मतलब बहुत कुछ लोग होते हैं जो ये खरीदते हैं. जो
सर हम लोग तो खरीद भी लेते होंगे, लेकिन हमारे पेरेंट्स या जनरेशन तो खरीदते भी नहीं है.
मोस्टली जो है इंडिया का सर, जितना जैसे फेस्टिवल के सीजन में तो जितना मतलब सेल होता था, तो वो लोग बाहर ही जाके खरीदते थे, तो ऐसा था वो वही जो मार्केट में जाते थे.
दिस इज नॉट अ नॉर्मल सिचुएशन गोइंग ऑन, एंड व्हेन द सिचुएशन इज नॉट नॉर्मल, you need to basically think of innovation. You need to think of something new. हम भी कभी यार ऑनलाइन नहीं पढ़ाते थे, मैं कभी जीडी ऐसे नहीं लेता था. मैं तो यार वो बच्चे बैठते थे ऑफलाइन क्लास में, स्टूडेंट बैठते थे, हम लोग सब बैठते थे. और आपने यूरोपीडिया में वीडियो, मेरे बहुत पुराने वीडियो पड़े हुए जिसमें क्लास भरी हुई है, बच्चे बैठे हैं और हम जीडी कर रहे हैं. अब जीडी ऐसे चल रहा है यार, व्हाट टू डू? बट यू सी, व्हेन द सिचुएशन इज नॉट दैट वे, you need to think of innovative ideas. Everyone now, see, economic recovery has to be there, and that is something which is related to purchase. And when we are talking about the purchase, let's think of houses, let's think of automobile. No doubt, if it is a normal situation, I will step out, I'll go to a market, I will do the shopping. Now if the situation is not normal, then it is a responsibility of government, it is a responsibility of the people, it is a responsibility of everyone to take precaution. We are talking about the taking precaution only. We are not saying that stop it 0 or 1. There is nothing like 0 and 1 in this world, but we are saying precaution. So wherever we can prevent, we should try to prevent. Number 2, even if you step out of the house, somebody talked about standard operating procedure given by government, but then there are social etiquettes also. Now this pandemic and shutdown started in end of March. You see, end of March and now end of October. So more than 6 months. I mean, 6 months are going to be there. So we not learned social etiquettes. No handshake, maintaining a distance, putting on the mask,
wearing mask.
Yes. So these social etiquettes we have learned. Thanks to we should be thankful that this entire thing gave us a time period to learn these things. Think of, had it come, entire shutdown, had it come in October, we would have had a huge loss. When was the shutdown? March. End of March. March, April, May, these are the months. Fortunately, these are not months when very hectic economic activities are done, in India at least. Now, I think Sanjay said more than half of the revenue is generated by companies during this time. Sanjay, I yes. I believe this data is not correct. Do you really think half of the revenue is generated, or you just quoted?
No, sir. I have पढ़ा था मैंने economic times का. Yes, sir.
Half of the revenue? Are you sure? Because I don't know. But मेरे को data थोड़ा सा लग रहा है कि गलत हो सकता है. So unless until you are clear, don't quote this data. But still, I believe majority of revenue comes during this time. अभी तुम्हें innovative सोचना है कि यार मार्च में नहीं आता ये शटडाउन, अगर अक्टूबर में आता तब तो यार ह्यूज लॉस होता. अभी मेरे को बताओ, मैंने आपको एक डाटा दिया था सवेरे, वो कोट क्यों नहीं किया तुम लोगों ने? कितना % लॉस हुआ है टिल इंडिपेंडेंस? ह्यूज. मैक्सिमम जीडीपी में जो लॉस हुआ है इंडिपेंडेंस के बाद, वो अभी हुआ है पिछले क्वार्टर में. कितना हुआ बताओ? -24%. तो नोबडी कोटेड दैट डाटा. तो डाटा जहां पे कोट कर सकते हो वहां तो कोटो, वहां पे उसको ऐड करो. आप बोल सकते थे कि वी हैड ह्यूज loss in the GDP since independence, -24%. So friends, it's good that it was March, April, May, June. Had it been October, it would have been -24. नहीं, कितना होता है ये? -50 हो जाता है, -30 हो जाता है कुछ, right? So अब हमारे पास social etiquettes है. We have learned that. Slowly लोगों को गवर्नमेंट ने पहले शट डाउन किया, गवर्नमेंट को समझाया. कई बार ऐसा भी तुमसे क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है कि क्या शटडाउन सही था? शटडाउन उस टाइम पे सही था? Was that required? उस टाइम पे तो उतने केस भी नहीं थे. शटडाउन का एक पर्पस था लोगों को सिखाना, अर्जेंसी डालना कि भाई कुछ चीज बड़ी चीज है, ये कुछ समझ जाओ. कुछ कैसे करोगे तुम? अरे लोगों को डराओगे तभी तो सीखेंगे ना यार कि नहीं, वो इट्स समथिंग विच इज वेरी सीरियस मैटर, राइट? तो वो शटडाउन से वो जो इमरजेंसी वहां पे डिक्लेयर हुआ, उससे हमारे दिमाग में आ गया कि दिस इज समथिंग विच इज वेरी वेरी सीरियस मैटर, और हमें सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग पता लग गया. नाउ डू यू शेक हैंड्स नाउअडेज? नो. यू ट्राई टू मेंटेन सोशल डिस्टेंस, यू यूज द मास्क. अब ये चीज फेस्टिव सीजन पे लोगों को ऑलरेडी पता है, राइट? Even if they go out, now they are learning into that particular thing. Number 2, now it is a responsibility of companies. It is a responsibility of people. It is a responsibility of the government to basically keep everybody safe without compromising the economic recovery. Just suppose I'm running, let's say business of construction industry. I'm selling houses. I know my customers are there who want to purchase house. जैसे I'm an education industry fellow, right? I run my institutes. So I devised a methods के मैं safe भी रहूं और students की learning hamper ना हो. And here I give you example of GD. And I tell you one more thing. Now I'm realizing कि online GD में जितना बच्चा सीख सकता है उतना offline में नहीं सीख सकता. Believe me on that. Because offline GD में क्या होता था? You have to step out of your home, come to coaching institute and learn GD. You used to come maximum 4 or 5 times. But now what is happening? In the morning I drop a message, and in the evening, depending upon your availability and the slot, you are joining. There is no limitation. And what time we are sitting here? It is 9:30 in the night, and we are learning. Are you safe? Yes, you are safe. You had dinner? Yes, I had dinner. Now we can spend the time here. We can spend the time. So without compromising the business, now you have spent money. That money circulation has gone. That money came to your PDI. Your PDI is feeding the employees, including me. So that means money circulation is there. That means learning is there. No, this is example of education, and similarly health. Similarly, every industry has innovative ways. अगर आपने इनोवेटिव वे डिवाइस नहीं किया तो आपकी लिमिटेशन है, बट इनोवेटिव डेज हमने डिवाइस किया. बार्बर हु आर कटिंग द दिस थिंग हेयर, उन्होंने भी, देयर आर कंपनीज व्हिच आर कमिंग आउट, दे आर सेइंग दैट ओके यू नीड टू बी सेफ, सो आई एम सेंडिंग द पर्सन एट योर होम हु इज टोटली सेफ. हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट दैट? यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट? हाँ, तो अब क्या अर्बन का, यस, तो अब क्या है, इफ यू विल नॉट डिवाइस देन यू विल पेरिश यार. You will perish. Suppose I'm not teaching you online. Suppose I'm not teaching you online. Will you pay me? You will not pay me. I will die. I will not be earning. So it is my responsibility also to think that way. Now, this whole topic, what we need to understand is this, that this is a new situation. It's a new challenge. And do you agree, whenever a new challenge comes, new opportunities also come? Do you agree that or not? Whenever there is a new challenge, there is a new opportunity also. So here is a problem, and then there can be a solution also. It has to be that way only. So you need to think on those lines to answer anything, and you need to add the data also into that. This is what actually is required. So topic was fear of COVID. Yes, COVID का fear अभी भी है क्या? COVID के केस कम हो गए हैं क्या? या COVID का fear खत्म हो गया क्या? नहीं हुआ है. Versus compulsion of economic growth. It is very important. Economic growth is very important. बिकॉज या तो भूख से मर जाओगे तुम, वो भी चाहिए ड्यूरिंग द फेस्टिव सीजन. यस, फेस्टिव सीजन में देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ सेल एंड परचेज इज टू हैपन. नाउ फ्रेंड्स, अगर अब मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करता तो कैसे करता? ओके फ्रेंड्स, गुड इवनिंग, माय नेम इज विजेंद्र एंड आई इनिशिएट द डिस्कशन. एंड फ्रेंड्स, द टॉपिक गिवन फॉर द डिस्कशन इज फियर ऑफ कोविड वर्सेस कंपल्शन ऑफ इकोनॉमिक रिकवरी ड्यूरिंग इंडियाज फेस्टिव सीजन. फ्रेंड्स, nobody can deny the importance of India's festive season. And India's festive season will start now from October, when we talk about Dashera, Diwali, and Durga Puja, and all these festivals. Then come what your New Year and your this other festivals like, what is coming in December? Which function? Christmas. Sorry. Christmas, New Year आता है. उसके बाद होली आता, Holy festival till March. So October till March we have festive season. And there is a consumerism during this season. People purchase not only small things like clothes, but even big things like houses. So close to house purchase behavior of the consumer during this time. Lot of money circulation during this time. So it is important. Friends, we need to discuss this topic from the perspective of that how can economy recovery be maintained without compromise of the basically health issues of the people. So COVID fear will be remaining there, but yes, we have to have. So what can be the innovative ways where economic recovery is there, where people purchasing behavior or selling tendency does not stop because of COVID, but at the same time safety is maintained. So friend, I just give you one example for that, like education. Education is a very big industry. Online education can be there. So during any kind of pandemic also it can go. I mean, there are companies which are immediately shifted over from offline to online education. And you can give any other example also. So this is what actually is to be done. Now, I ask you a simple question, like sweets, eating and everything. There's a very big industry during festive season. What innovative thing you will think of if you're running a shop of sweets? Tell me. What innovative thing you will think of?
Free home delivery within some radius.
Tell me again, Satyaki.
Free home delivery within some radius.
Free home delivery. Okay. What else? You're running a shop.
So we can advertise that the workers that are working, they're working with the proper gloves, and my shop is completely sanitized. Each and every week, make a short video and provided them in that online.
As I was telling you, for purchasing, number one, if purchasing can be done without stepping out of the house, best. But if for purchasing you need to step out of the house, maintain the social distancing. And maintaining social distancing is the responsibility of the person, shop also, not shop only, the person who is shopping and the person who is selling, both, and government also. So can't government come out with some kind of standard operating procedure which you mentioned, and some kind of fine on the shops and on the people also, that you need to maintain the social distance? I mean, you need to maintain 6 feet distance, and the shop के बाहर एक पूरा वो barricade लगा दो, और barricade से purchase करना है तो you need to maintain that particular distance. Something like that can be done. So shop वाले का भी ड्यूटी है, सबका ड्यूटी है, and everything if they come out, तो वो festive season में कोई compromise नहीं होगा, ना safety के साथ ना किसी के business के साथ. तेरे को मिठाई खरीदनी तुम जाओ, तेरे को मिठाई बेचनी तुम बेचो, पर यार खरीदने वाला बेचने वाले का health compromise नहीं होना चाहिए. Whenever you will step out of your house, you will maintain the mask. Whose responsibility is that?
My own responsibility.
The person जो बाहर जा रहा है. गवर्नमेंट चलान नहीं कर सकती क्या यार? जब शटडाउन लगा था तो मेरी गाड़ी को पकड़ लेते थे, वो चलान करते थे यार. अब वो मास्क का चलान नहीं कर सकते क्या? हेलमेट का चलान होता है ना, हेलमेट का चलान है
सर, वो करते हैं, मास्क का तो करते हैं चलान.
मास्क का चलान अभी भी उतना स्ट्रिक्टली नहीं हो रहा है, स्ट्रिक्टली नहीं हो रहा है.
सर एक डाउट,
Strictly नहीं है.
sir, these challan things, those were implemented during this lockdown also, as well as the helmet challans were also implemented, but it is not continued. So is it a way that I can suggest a point which is not that much feasible because it's not continued?
No, is it not feasible or it is not being implemented? They are two different things.
If it was feasible, it would have implemented across India. Why would have they stopped it?
No, it is not that way. It is not that it is not feasible, and hence it is not being implemented, because implementation के लिए जो agencies हैं, they are not serious. I will say that one. You know, like I give you example. Not in every city, police is equally strict with the implementation of helmet thing. So does not mean that police is not having same powers. Police is having same powers everywhere, but in some place they strictly follow it. Some places they don't follow it. That there is a commitment actually. No, it's a level of commitment. Police can do it. If the police can very strictly shut entire country down during shutdown, then that same police can also make you put on your mask. Why can't they do that? Was the police imported at the time when totally shutdown was implemented? No, it was the same police. If it was the same police, why that police cannot make you wear the mask? They can do that. Only thing is challan. You know why you wear helmet? Not for your safety in India, for challan actually. You purchase that small plastic wala helmet, so that you know that if this helmet you are wearing, if there is an accident, you will not survive. But still, for the police, you are wearing helmet. Or police aa gaya helmet pehno. So in India, you are wearing helmet for police. So why don't you wear mask also for the police? So that police is to implement. Then, I went to some shops. I tell you honestly, I went to some shop and by mistake, my mask was not there. And you know what he said? Go and get your mask first. Sir, please go and get your mask first. Otherwise, you know what he said? And that shop was a medicine shop. I stepped out of my car and reflex section. When you are sitting single in the car, you don't put on the mask. You know that. There is no challan. If you are in the car alone, not wearing mask, there is no challan. Police will not touch you. So I am driving, my windows closed without mask. And then I am to go to a medical shop to purchase something. I step out, go to the medical shop, and that without mask. And when I went there, he said, sir, if you're coming without mask, I will be challaned by police because I cannot entertain you without mask. And then I realized the importance of this particular statement. If the shopkeeper says, I don't know whether he has instruction or no instruction, but at least he can say that. And there is a fear of loss of customer also. Because if he does not entertain me, there's another shop also there. He has a fear of loss of customer also. But still he was brave enough and he said, no sir, I will not entertain you without mask. Now, I'm a person, I need to take care of this. If I miss it, the shopkeeper should not miss it. And if actually my shopkeeper has a fear that if the police wala will see it, he will challan shopkeeper 5,000 rupees. If the police wala cannot challan each and every citizen, at least police wala can challan shopkeeper. Agree or not? Yes. And if shopkeeper says, out of the fear of some agency like municipality or police or whatever this agency, if shopkeeper says that without this mask I will not entertain you, then believe me, this will have some kind of impact. So it is to be done. Yeah, it is to be done, and that will be very good, because without compromising the recovery, you can maintain the health also, and you can go out with. So there are three players here. Number one player is the person. Number two player is service provider. Number three player is regulating agency. Which agency is regulating agency? Government. Understand? So now think of three things. One is consumer, we people. Second is service provider, shopkeeper. Third is regulating agency. Everybody is to play their own respective role to maintain the safety and health of the people without compromising economic recovery. Can we compromise health? No. Can we compromise economic recovery? No. So let's find the solution. Let's find the solution. And this is how you should have opened up the discussion in three directions. Role of regulating agency, role of the consumer, role of the service provider, how it is to be done. Now you name any service provider, car wala, construction industries, anybody, everybody is to play the role. They have to think of basically this. And in the shop, they have to maintain those kind of situations, and this is how it was to be done. This was the topic, and I was expecting you people will put some kind of data, some kind of statistics, and some kind of international example also. Like festive season in India is coming now, but we have seen the festive season going on world over in different countries, how they have catered to that, how they have seen that. And COVID kind of situation is not India specific. We are observing this world over. So if we were observing this world over, observe how other countries are maintaining it. In some countries, second wave of this particular pandemic has started. Second wave also has come. First wave, plateau hit, then reduced, and then second wave also came. So that is a also lesson for India, that India can also observe the second wave. That is also to be done. Now, Vijay, you started with the festive season. And you said festive season is from, I think, October to something like that. You mentioned only 2-3 months, December. But it is not October to December, it is October to March, actually, festive season. You were talking about the SOP for organizing event. Yes, there is a standard operating procedure of the government. And then there are social etiquettes, which we have learned in past 6 months. You could have said that. But Vijay, you could have used more time and put forth your points furthermore. And then Abhishek, you started very well, and Abhishek, your starting was very good. India is a developing country, and shutdown affected economy, and India is a developing country, and worst hit GDP in India's history since independence, minus 24% growth. That is something which you could have added here only. And consumption of the goods needs to be more, and balance between two things is to be done. And then you were talking about some virtual functions and all. Virtual function. What is the meaning of virtual function, Abhishek? I think you were mentioning somebody else, but what is the meaning of that?
So the thing is that, like Durga Puja, that Sataki was saying about the example of Durga Puja. So people used to go and have a cultural gathering at the places. The thing is that nowadays, at the time of Durga Puja, we can have limited seats over there, where the function is organized, and the people can see that the puja from their home. So the virtual type of functions can be organized.
Okay, Satyaki, which part?
Even in Dashera, we can see.
Satyaki, which part of India you are?
Sir, I'm from Howrah, West Bengal.
Yeah, you are from Bengal only. Durga Puja is there, no? Bengal mein, बहुत ज़्यादा.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So how it is happening nowadays?
Sir, अभी तो there है, but वही like I said, they'll be allowing some few number of people inside the pandal, and they'll be broadcasting it by video conference.
अच्छा, अभी पूरी anybody from Odisha? पुरी में वो लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ का रथ यात्रा चली थी, कौन से मंथ में चली थी बताओ? जुलाई अगस्त, यू नो दैट? सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बोला कि, याद है तुम्हें? सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बोला नहीं, लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ रथ यात्रा, दैट चैरियट कैन नॉट बी पुल्ड. So
Yes, sir,
that
वो
that time
correction
what,
लगा के हुआ था.
yes, फिर allow कर दिया था उसको. You remember that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you need to quote this kind of example. Lord Jagannath is a very very famous that this thing. फिर गणेश फेस्टिवल, लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ फेस्टिवल, तो वो फेस्टिवल हो चुके हैं इंडिया के अंदर.
सर गणेश फेस्टिवल तो इस बार नहीं हुआ था ना.
हाँ, तो वो एग्जांपल दो ना उनके सबके, फिर कैसे कैसे करना है, क्या करना है. लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ कैसे हुआ, गणेश का कैसे हुआ, वो एग्जांपल दे सकते हो ना तुम.
सर गणेश का तो शायद इस बार मतलब नहीं हुआ था, कम ही हुआ था. उसको
हुआ था, फिर भी हुआ था लेकिन प्रोटेक्टेड एनवायरनमेंट में हुआ था. वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ तुम्हें. जो चैरियट भी है लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ का वर्चुअल, तुम वर्चुअल की बात.
सर लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ का तो हुआ था, वो तो चैरियट वगैरह गया था. लेकिन गणेश जो इंडिविजुअली लोगों ने अपने हाउस में रखा था वो गया था. लेकिन जैसे बॉम्बे में लाल बाग का राजा रखते हैं ना, तो वो इस बार नहीं रखा था.
हाँ तो ठीक है ना, वैसे करो.
वो नहीं रखा था.
लाल बाग के ऑनलाइन हुए थे, वर्चुअली हुए थे लाल बाग के दर्शन.
हाँ तो अगर गणेश जी को इंडिविजुअली किया तो रामचंद्र जी को भी करेंगे ना इंडिविजुअल, क्या ट्रबल है. दुर्गा पूजा करेंगे. वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि एग्जांपल कोट कर सकते हैं वो तुम लोग. it becomes interesting, your discussion becomes very interesting if you give real life examples. That is what I'm telling you. उसके बाद शुभी मिडिल इनकम नेशन है, so we can't stop economy, need to balance both. That is how you started. That was correct, not a problem. But you need to give some solution here at the end. You cannot speak for the sake of speaking. It looks like you people speak for the sake of speaking only. There is no stress. There is no, very persuasive thing in your talk. You are speaking. I understand there are 3 stages. Number 1, no speaking. ना तो बोला जा रहा है ना दिमाग में कुछ आ रहा है. दूसरा, बोल रहे हैं दिमाग में कुछ नहीं आ रहा है. तीसरा, बोल भी रहे हैं और दिमाग में भी आ रहा है और बहुत परसुएसिव बोल रहे हैं. वो तीसरी स्टेज है. अभी यू गाइस आर एट द सेकंड स्टेज वेयर यू आर स्पीकिंग. I understand you can speak, but you are speaking for the sake of speaking only. Persuasive things should come. How persuasive speaking comes? Logic, examples, comparisons, real life situations, some little entertainment and examples. That is the persuasive talk. When you say na, oh yaar ye kitna acha bola yaar, usne to bahut achhi baat boli yaar, so what hits you? Example maybe example, maybe real life situations, maybe comparison. So that thing is to come in your talks. You people are speaking now. Like Vijay is speaking, Ashish is speaking, Shubhi is also speaking. But where is the persuasive skill? Like Shubhi said, India is a middle income country, and we cannot stop economy. We cannot there is a need to balance both of these. But Shubhi, how you want to balance both? That is what I want to know. How you want to balance? You said, okay, we want to balance. But how balance is to be done? That is something you need to give examples and all, right? That is required. Sanjay, you gave that example I told you, and the second wave you mentioned, that second wave can also come. So Sanjay, whatever you said made sense. Whatever you said, that was good. वो उसका सेंस था. लेकिन तुम बहुत बोल नहीं पाए बीच में, जब डिस्कशन चल रहा था. In between you could not enter in that. Ashish, you said very logically, festive season is opportunity to revive economy. V-shape recovery you mentioned. What do you mean by that?
V-shape recovery इकोनॉमी में सर होती है. एक बार डिक्लाइन जाके देन सडन इंक्रीज इन द इकोनॉमी, वो पॉसिबल नहीं है. लास्ट ईयर होती थी, पास्ट ईयर्स में हमने एक्सपीरियंस करी है. बट दिस टाइम ड्यू टू द पेंडेमिक, मतलब वो एक डिले रहेगा, एक प्लेट्यू रहेगा उस रिकवरी में. तो
एटलीस्ट नॉट वी शेप, यू शेप यू वांट टू से.
या यू शेप.
Okay, it's fine.
मतलब जनरल जो टेक्निकल टर्म होती है वो वी शेप होती है, बट मतलब उसको कोट करना था मेरे को टेक्निकल टर्म को कि वी शेप नहीं होगी यहाँ पर, यू शेप होगी, मतलब ऐसा.
अच्छा, tell me one thing. BCCI went for IPL to Dubai. Why?
Yes. Sir,
they could have done in India also.
Sir, इंडिया में जो केसेस हैं वो ज्यादा हो रखे हैं अभी, कम्युनिटी स्प्रेड काफी ज्यादा है. तो इवन जो बाहर की कंट्रीज में, सर
इंडिया में ये कोविड बबल नहीं हो पाता,
वहां पर भी नहीं है. बट एक्चुअली दे हैव टू है सर वहां पे इवेंट. सो यहां पर सर परमिशंस नहीं मिली होगी
दुबई के
एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन.
दुबई के लाज बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट है सर, अगर जो भी गाइडलाइन के लोगों को फॉलो करना पड़ेगा.
फ्री रहता है दुबई तो काफी, इसलिए भी काफी टीम्स प्रेफर करती है वहां.
Okay, why this example was given by you in this topic, Ashish?
Actually, I wanted to say that like they have organized the event without the spectators, but they are like virtually telecasting the whole match at various localities as well. So that is the
See,
example I wanted to give.
As far as your example is concerned of about conducting the IPL, I agree that IPL was done and their players are earning, and TV advertisements channels are also earning, and we are getting entertainment. Good. But going outside the nation, that has nothing to do with this topic, as you agree. Had they conducted this even in country with the safety features intact, it would have given the same thing and some benefit to country also. So that is a different topic why they went outside, you know. There's a different situation altogether. And any idea who is the IPL chief nowadays?
Saurav Ganguly.
BCCI chief.
Who's taking care of IPL? Any idea? Okay, this is interesting.
Anand Kripalu.
Who is that?
Kripalu.
कौन है वो?
ये तो पता नहीं है तो उसके
तुम्हें सरप्राइज मिलेगा आज देखना जाके. आज देखना IPL का चीफ कौन?
RCB का.
Who is he? Who is Jay Shah?
अमित शाह का कोई लगता है वो.
कोई लगता नहीं, लड़का है उसका.
लड़का है.
उसका लड़का है वो. अमित शाह का लड़का है वो. And you see, there is no logic. I mean, why he should be the chief of that particular thing? Anyhow, that is an interesting. Stanley, you can speak. You are talking good. You said not only festive season, it is true for any season. This particular thing. What was the meaning of that? So you changed the entire topic itself. The topic was fear of COVID versus compulsion of economic growth in wake of Indian festive season. You said no. It is, this topic is not only Indian festive season. It is true for any season. That is what you said. What was the meaning of that?
My point is like the importance should be given to economic thing in the entire season. Yes, it's like a handy advantage during the festival season, but my point was like it should be given importance to overall to the entire season. That was my point.
Other season there is no trouble, you know. Festive season there is a huge rush, people going out, flocking the roads. That is a trouble actually. People want, because they associate religious sentiments. Their religious sentiments are attached to this. Okay. You see, if you tell people not to go and stay in your home, then normally it is okay. But during this and entire festive season in India is what? Religious season only. You talk about Dussehra, Durga Puja, Diwali. It is not New Year festival. That is not India. India is a deeply religious society. So entire festive season in India is actually a religious season.
Okay.
So religious sentiments are attached. That is the reason this topic is festive season se related. You cannot stop people. They will say, no, Lord Ram will take care of me. I will go out. I will go out. Durga Puja I will do. Lord Jagannath I will go, because Lord Jagannath will take care of me. Doctor is saying, no, COVID is there. Go to hell with COVID. Lord Jagannath will take care of me. So that is the reason it is difficult to convince Indian and people that don't step out. Health you have to take care. That is the point actually. If you see the festive season world over, they are not religious. They are somewhere they are celebrating the weather. Okay, spring has come. Somewhere New Year has come. Somewhere Valentine has come. New Year, weather phenomena, Valentine. They are not religion. But India may festive season, religious season. That is how you need to understand the difference. Anyhow, so you took the basically topic in different directions, Stanley. That was not supposed to be done. Baki, I think you people have spoken nicely. So there's nothing trouble. Satyaki also conclusion was good. Satyaki, you speak good. Otherwise also not a problem. But yes, what I was thinking was like you people will give some kind of input on the basis of the data which I provided you. You see, whenever you get a topic related to economy or something, think of adding some information or data that helps you and that gives you, yeah.
The data which you was talking about, I didn't get any of the data.
Are you in that? Are you in that group? Are you in that group or not?
I'm in that group, but
I have given you some in the morning. I have sent you some kind of documents.
Okay, it's not a video like the audio clip, something which I've shared in the morning.
It was a document which I prepared and a PDF I sent you and some newspaper cuttings.
Okay, sure.
So those documents I provided you, and there was some data, economy se related data, economic GDP loss which India had, and what government is talking about now, what our RBI governor is talking about. RBI governor is saying inflation. You know what is inflation? I mean, yeah, जो महंगाई जिसको बोलते हैं ना, cost of living cost. So that has gone up because money का value when decreases or things become very costly, so that is called inflation. And inflation has gone up in India, but still government is pumping money, and उससे inflation और बढ़ता है. But government is pumping money to bring the economic recovery, because economic recovery comes when there's a purchasing power of people, and purchasing power of the people comes when government pumps money, and when government pumps money, then the cost of everything increases, because I have more money with me. Suppose instead of 100 rupees, I have 200 in my pocket, my purchasing power will increase, and the person who is selling, he will start selling at high cost, something like that. So these economic terms you need to understand: economic recovery, what is GDP, what is inflation, what is recession, what is depression. These things you need to be very, very clear. And there is a document which I sent you. And economic topic is important topic, so that topic is also important. Fine. Okay. And anything? I think this all was I think discussed, and the rest is okay. I mean, economic growth was to be related to purchasing power and not to people flocking the places or moving out. So here is the conclusion now. For economic growth is related to purchasing. Number one, for purchasing, you may not step out of your house. Even if you come out of your house, you may not flock together. Even if you flock together, you can maintain the proper precautions. So if you think of all this, then I think both the things can be. So Shubhi, what I was telling you, that both things are to be done, but how? That answer has to be like this. You say, this is how it could be given. So number one, what you have to do is prevent going out. Number two, if you go out, maintain the safety domains. That's it. And the responsibility for this is of consumer, of the supplier, service provider, and regulating body. These three things. And India is a huge country. You need to maintain these things. This was entire conclusion. Right? Now, anything else you want to ask?
Sir, can you provide feedback for me, like particularly?
Ashish, I told you. Yes, I told you that you can speak. Your top, you are having good communication. You are having good points which you can talk about. You gave the good points, but sometimes, you know, when you give some points, there's a confusion, like V shape. Now, what was the meaning there? That was not very clear. Then BCCI IPL gone outside the country. Even that was not very relevant, not very clear. I understood there's a point in your mind, but if you give some information without clarification why you gave that information, then that is not good. Like data which I gave you. Now, suppose you want to quote minus 25% of the growth. How you could have quoted that? India is a developing nation, and India cannot afford the negative growth rate. And first time since India got independence, India observed minus 24% growth in GDP. That is something which is exceptionally low. And now India needs to recover. So if you say this way, then the meaning comes. But if you say for the sake, give data for the sake of giving data, then it has got no meaning. You need to think that way. This was the point. Baki rest you can speak. That is not a problem. You can speak good. Stanley can speak good. Stanley does not speak. Like conclusion mein Stanley, you did not even conclude. You just gave a line that you are not interested in conclusion.
Actually, what I felt is the topic was either supporting this or that. So if we give an example, what happens if sometimes if we give an impractical example? So that's the thing I was taken aback.
No. You should. Conclusion is what others have spoken. That is conclusion. No? Everybody who has spoken is a conclusion. You need to speak. Okay. I told you there are only 3 stages here. Number 1, do not speak. Number 2, speak rubbish, but speak. Number 3, speak sense. Okay, choose this way only. Speak sense is the best. But if not speak sense, speak rubbish. That still is acceptable. And third, do not speak is not acceptable. You understand my point? So at least you need to speak. That practice you do. In conclusion also, I want you to speak. The person who is very meticulous actually does not speak. because he thinks I'm not making sense, so I will not speak. But in GD, even if you think you are not making sense, speak, because then only you will get marks. That is the point. Clear?